smooth and lower surface is applied. Because that upper surface is in contact with sunlight. When sunlight will pass, so at that time most of the sunlight will enter into the tube. So that cells can burn. Cells can burn. So it is having a waxy coating above it. That the name of the upper layer is what is cuticle. Upper layer is what is cuticle. Cuticle layer. That I should try to